this is the script, JavaScript.
Yes, yes,
And
yes.
this is validation.
So dot value, right? So dot value will fetch the typed value. Okay, so we can do. Okay, so yesterday we saw something called alert, right? Alert. So
Alert.
wait.
Yeah.
After 138.
After 138, yeah.
After 138, type alert.
So type here alert.
Yes, yes, alert, and print the name. Just in bracket, put name. So here it will print the name which you type. So since in line number 138, we are fetching the typed value, right, in the name field. So just we are printing the same in 139. Did you get?
Yeah, because at the moment it's what it's doing is that command is just validating, checking dot value means it needs to have a value. It can't be blank, correct?
Yes, yes, exactly. So
Yeah, and
if
alert
it's
is
blank,
print
if
command
it is blank,
basically
yes.
in
So now
script.
save this and run. Save this and type something. Save this and come to the browser.
Yeah.
Okay. Type something. See, it's coming, right?
Yeah. So okay. So this is the output command alert, but we don't really need it because this JavaScript has been written just to make sure that we've got values in the fields. So they're
Yes,
not
yes, yes, exactly, exactly. So I can remove this now. Yep.
okay. Name error is equal to text context. Okay. Agree err dot text content is equal to name error. What is this name error?
Wait. It become to that.
Yeah.
So that's the question.
This name error dot content.
Wait. This name dot error. See line number 145. What we are fetching here so far, let's say. So if you do not type something,
Yep.
okay,
It will say
so
error.
you just leave us empty. So then I want to display some error message into the user. Okay, so first see find what is name error. Since we are getting the value, right, statement dot get element by id in bracket name error address error. So there should be some id which is mentioned like name error. Okay, such as we are having that name hyphen error. Search for the string. It will be
Sorry, the Bhagavad can't hear you. There's a lot of background noise.
okay. Fine. Just a minute. I am joining here again. Hari kamera aa raha hai, please tanga.
Sorry.
No. Here. Hello. Pratushan?
Yep.
Yeah, okay. So, see where we are mentioning this ID name error. It will be in the top.
Yes. So where what's the error message we are saying?
That's what I'm saying. Come to the error. So first, look for the ID where we are mentioning the name hyphen error. Come up.
It's in the top. After the name text box, come up. See, wait. Come down. After the name text box, I said.
Yep.
Yes. See the line number 145.
Yes.
This is the name error, right?
Yep.
Now we are getting this from some ID. So that's why we're putting document.get element by ID. Not element by ID. Name hyphen error.
Again, so you're cutting out. It was just a draw very, very fast. It's a bit slow.
Come to the top.
Yeah. So I've got 145. You said C. So constant name error.
145 is fine. Come to the top. After the text box name.
After the text box name.
Come top man. Input type text box name we put, right? Come to that specific line.
Which line number is it?
Come to top still.
Here? Pragya, can you close the door? I'm having a class here. Sorry, Bhagwat. Yes?
Yes, Carlo. See. Hold on. This is the one I'm saying, okay? See the line number 90. See the line number 90.
I see. Span ID is equal to name error. Class is equal to error message.
Okay.
So span is what does span function do?
Span, it just display the test, that's it. It's like div only, okay? So but div, inside div you can put a lot, right? So but span is specific only for the test message. So for, let's say, if we want to display any error messages like this, then we can use the span.
I see.
Okay. See.
So is it only used for error messages? What else can it be used for?
Not error message. So for, let's say, you want to highlight some text, okay, or you want to modify only for the specific test to be in some different format, or else the specific test you want to modify in some different color or different font size, then we can use the span.
Okay, different colors, different font size, color,
Yes.
etc. So you can use span. What other command works like spam? Is there any other command?
Para. P.
Yes, para.
But P is for the whole sentence, right? So, but
Yeah.
span is for only for one word you want to highlight, or only for one character you want to display in some unique way, then you can go with the span tag.
So what if, question, what if here in line 90, instead of span ID, I had another mini paragraph inside a P, start with P tag and end P tag here?
It also works.
Sorry?
It also works.
It also works. Okay,
yes.
That was my question. That's what I was thinking. That a mini paragraph, like you can use a paragraph tag within a paragraph tag, and it will also work. So
Yes.
paragraph tag or span is basically essentially they're interchangeable.
Yes.
So what is the advantage of using span then compared to paragraph? Isn't it easier to keep it simple? Like, the big paragraph, within
Yes.
that big paragraph, you can have one line paragraph, then one line, instead of
The
having
first
different
line,
commands.
right, the first line of the paragraph will give some space. Okay. like the one tap or something. So, but the span is not something like that. So, and span will not occupy any space. If you are displaying, then just it will display. Okay, it will not occupy any predefined space in a
I
particular.
see.
Okay,
Okay.
so that is why. Okay, so now we got right. So in the error message, we are trying to get this ID only. Document.get element by ID and name error, and see the line number 95 address error and 101 email error. So I'm having span for all the input types, and that is mentioned, and that is useful to display the corresponding error message below a particular
So
field.
again, Bhagwat, can't understand. So look, I get what you're saying, that for every label there's a error that we are carrying, because this is what we want the customer to do, input. And if there's no input, then there's an error message. And from what you're saying, this
Yes,
error message is defined or looked at more in detail here as to what needs to be done.
yes.
So validate the error message. So then, okay, so why do we have class here? Class is equal to error message. What is class?
Class is for CSS class.
A CSS class. But why do we need a CSS class here? We
To
just,
display the error message in red color. If you are having question like this, okay, copy the class name and look into the CSS, what they are doing. Then only you will get to know. Okay, so copy the class message
yeah.
error. When I say
Oh,
class message, you should copy the right side value, not the left side value. Only
this one,
class error hyphen message.
class error type hyphen message.
Only copy error hyphen message. That is the
Yeah.
class name, right? Search for that.
Where do I search for it? On the internet?
Put Control F. Put Control F. Control F and search. Yep.
Sorry, Control F.
Hmm.
And
Search here. You need to go through the document. Until then, you won't get these concepts. Okay, so you are repeating again and again. So come up, come up, come up, up. See, this is the class. Here you are having the class. I am 68, right? 68. It is highlighting, right?
sorry, it's just again just can't understand which line are you talking about?
Where it is highlighting. See line number 68. It's
If,
clearly highlighting, right?
yeah,
This is the CSS class I'm using. Okay.
right. Yeah.
You have
Okay.
modified that error message just green color, is it? Initially it was a red color. So now your error message will be displayed in the green color only. Okay. Come to the form now. Come to the form now.
Form.
Are you getting this?
Yes.
Hmm.
Slowly getting it. Yeah. Okay. So the error message is in a particular color,
Yes.
font, and margin top. So we defined it before. Error message. Error message. Error message. Error message. And then if we go to here, so this is what I was asking. So name error dot txt content. So what does the meaning of this? Just this part.
TSP content, just I am setting the test in the span. It will be an empty. Okay. If you are uh, setting some value, then it will display it. So for let's say currently, if we are putting just double empty quotes, right? Then it means an empty character. Okay. Just line number 152. Just put something inside the quotes. Type something. Yep. Hi, hello, anything is fine. Okay, so now run this program, run and save and run.
Okay.
Yep. See how it comes now. Type something, type. What you're seeing here. Hello, it is coming, right? Hello.
Okay, please enter your color. Okay, color. But it's not giving an error message for the name.
Why it is not giving?
Oh, okay. Hello
We will
here.
replace the value.
I see.
Hello. Okay.
But let's say, okay, if I go here, and where did I put hello? Okay, I changed that back to Control S. Now I don't enter anything. Please enter your name properly. Yeah. So, and I just go enter. I see. Please enter your name properly. This error message, please enter your name properly. Where did we give this error message? Oh, sorry.
See this code and find. See this code and find. You are going to tell me now. See this code. Where they are doing.
Error message. Hang on, just quickly have a look. Error message. Where have we defined error message? Error message. Error message.
Go through the code.
Oh,
You will easily get it.
okay.
Is
Okay. Valid is equal to true. If name is equal to this, else I see name. Okay. If it is true, let is valid is equal to true. That means there is a name. If name is equal to blank, and this double line is or.
Yes.
Or test name.
And the right hand side is that is called as regular expression. Okay. So just /t refers if you are typing some digits. Like the integers.
Sorry, come again. Again, it was too fast. I couldn't hear.
/d refers the integers. If you are typing any of the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then it will say please enter your name properly. So the name field we should enter some strings or the characters. It should not be the integer alone or the number alone. The name
But
can't be integer, right?
How do we make sure that it enters characters and not integers? Where is that command in the program which tells it that the entry should be characters, not integers?
That is for the line number 160. We are checking, right? We are putting the /d. Here input type we are not putting anything. In the validation only, just we are checking. It's a common sense, right? So
No.
we are
What I'm trying to ascertain is, does the program, which is JavaScript, this thing, does it recognize itself that the name has to be character, or do we need to specify in the validation that the name has to be character?
yes, we are specifying here this /d dot test and the field name. It's a JavaScript syntax. Okay.
This is the command basically.
Yeah.
This is the command slash. See, there is / /d / .test name.
Yes.
So this is the command that is telling that it has to be characters.
Yes.
Okay. Name error.inner HTML. Okay, they're specifying inner HTML because we're not getting this error message from external HTML. So that's why it's inner HTML, correct?
Yes.
So what if it wasn't inner HTML, what would it be? If it was not inner HTML, then what would it be?
If you want to display some error message, this is the way, and this is a syntax we need to follow. If you want to display some error message in a dynamic way in the span, this is a way to display that.
Okay, but what if I want to display an error message, but I don't want to use inner HTML? Maybe I can use outer HTML for somewhere else.
I just know the concept of outer HTML like that, or inner HTML.
Call another HTML. Outer HTML is the command.
Outer HTML, I'm saying there is no syntaxes like that. Okay.
Okay.
Only inner HTML.
I see. But why do we have to enter this inner HTML? Why do we have to specify?
Then if we are giving like this only, it will print in the mentioned span tag, which we got to
Sorry,
displayed above, right?
sorry, come again.
Span
Bhagwat,
ID,
slow.
span ID name error. We
Spam
are
ID
having
name
the
error.
span tag, right? The above. Agree error, subject error.
Sorry, I couldn't understand this.
Hey, can't you relate this?
It's
See,
just
above we
that.
are having the error tag, right?
Yes.
Span ID. So this is the way to display the test messages inside that.
Yeah, but inner HTML is what I was querying.
It will just insert the test inside that span tag,
Okay.
name error span tag. That's it.
Right. So you're saying linking this and this here. That's why inner HTML. Yeah. So it's linking to name error. Where's it gone? Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. That makes sense. So because it's within the HTML code, please enter your name properly. It's linking to there. Yeah. So why do we have text content here?
Okay. If both are interchangeable, okay. So wait. If I am giving inner HTML, then I can able to giving HTML code. Okay, but test content I can able to give only the test content. Okay, so let's say in line number 161, you can add H1, H2, H3 before that. Please enter your name properly. Give H1 or H2. Line number 161.
Yeah. Yeah. Line number 161.
Give H1 or H2 before, please.
Sorry, couldn't understand. Give its own error, did you say?
Give H1 tag or H2 tag. It will land that or not. H1, H2, H3, H4. So you can give any of the HTML code in the test messages.
Just a second, Bhagwat. Just my brother is calling from overseas. Just give me 1 second. Could be an emergency. Just a second. Hello, Bhagwat.
Yes.
Yes, sorry. I thought you were. It was unmuted.
Yes, tell me.
Yes. So this name error.html. You were saying something?
Just put the H1 tag before the please.
H1 tag. Okay.
After the quotes. After the double quotes. Which means
Yep.
I said, how will you write the H1 tag? Tell me. Starting tag should be before
Yep.
please. Not before please. Okay. You should place this H1 inside the quotes. Inside the double quotes.
Inside the double quotes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ending also same.
Yep. Okay. Now I'll save. Run it.
Now try to run this. How it is coming. Okay. How it is
Okay.
coming now.
So it's just made it heading. So if I change it to heading 3, it will change the font to really.
So, inner HTML, even you can write any HTML tags also, but in the test content, just you can write only for the test. If you want, you can put the same H1 in the test content and see.
Okay, so this is just okay. I see the name. Enter your test messages. Enter your name. Okay, yeah. And links into their name error reg form. Where is it? Address name. Yeah, this one here. Message. Error message. Okay. Okay, making sense. I'm getting it now.
Okay.
But still the basic understanding, like at least the logic I'm getting behind it. But writing it is another story, right? Writing the code.
Yes. Test content. If you give the H1, H2, H3 like that, then it will not take. Okay. So test content, it will print as it is whatever you typed. Okay. That is the difference between test content and inner HTML. Okay.
Yep.
See the reset errors method. Reset error just I am making all the typed values as null. So I put empty quotes. That's it. Okay.
Sorry, repeat that. I couldn't understand what you just said.
In the reset error method, just I am making
The what method? Sorry, in there?
I'm making all the fields as null, empty characters.
Yes.
Okay. So hello.
Yes. Yep.
So this reset error will it needs to clear the typed value, right? Come to the form once and type something and click the reset button and see what is happening. This is what I'm expecting from you, Dushyant. Okay, so you need to do some workaround. Okay, otherwise it will be more difficult for you.
Right. So if I understand, then I'll do the work.
Yep.
Yes, 100%. Yeah.
So since HTML and Python, so nowadays even the school children are learning. Okay, so so should be more faster. So then it will be easy for you. So since we are lagging here also, then it will be very difficult to crack any of the interviews. Okay, so the class name is the CSS. So just try to create some exercises. Okay, and first go through the document. I am saying daily go through the HTML CSS document at least once and try to do some practices based on that. At least if you're doing like that only, right, then only you will get the hands on. Okay.
Right.
Hmm.
Are there any exercises that you've got?
Yes. So
So can I, let's say, I create this registration form like this, but different, instead of course, let's say I create it
wait.
for,
You can create one employee registration form like this. Okay. Note the column. So I want to see employee name, employee address, employee date of birth, and employee department, and the employee salary details, and the date of joining.
yes. Okay. So I'll just, okay. What did you want? It's a,
Employee
let's see,
name,
employee name.
date of joining, date of birth, department, designation,
Yep.
salary,
Yep.
address. This is enough. Address.
Okay.
Okay. Try to create some forms and put the reset button, send button. Okay, and do some validations. Okay. So all those things you can do.
So I can basically pretty much use the code and adopt it because
Yes, yes,
writing
yes.
is going to be too difficult for me. I don't really, yes, okay. So I'll say create. All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So in the name also we can add some more validation, like so the name should be minimum 6 characters and
Okay.
maximum 15 characters. Okay, so all this validation we can do. So just it's a matter of you need to add those. Yes, like the
Okay. So
password.
here 172, we said pass is length is less than 6. So if it's more
Then
than 6, don't pass.
yes, yes, exactly.
So this is for hang on. So what is this for? Please enter password. Okay. So let's say password. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. I hit enter. It's accepting it though.
Wait, wait. The condition is password characters should be minimum 6, not maximum 6. Okay, give less than 6 and see.
No, this is less than 6, right? So it should be greater than 6, correct?
Yes.
So no, but I haven't changed anything. If you look at 172, it says if pass the password.
Wait, wait. I'm saying if password is less than 6, then we are displaying the message. Please enter a password with at least 6 characters. Okay. If it is
Okay, so
greater than 6 or 6, we are not going to
uh,
display. That is
I
what I'm
see.
saying. Minimum 6, not maximum.
Okay, password the error. Okay, so that's the condition in which this error message has to be displayed. If the length is less than 6, then display this error message.
Yeah.
Okay. Subcontext, please select your course is valid. So we haven't given anything here. We haven't given agree 3 here. Agree, what is this agree?
Agree is also another button.
But there's no button agree. Oh, I agree. Okay, I agree that please agree to the information. I see. So error message for this button is please agree to the above information. Is valid is equal to false.
Yes.
So which means that I don't understand. So false means that there is no tick, correct? Or there is a tick.
Agree is a checkbox. Yes, yes. Exactly same.
No, so what is the meaning of this 182? Is valid equals false?
Hmm? Hello?
Line 182 is
Hmm.
valid equals false. What is the meaning of
So,
is valid equals false?
see the variable.
Sorry?
Line number 159, just I am
No,
assuming
182.
159.
Yes, is
I
valid
am
equal to true. I see.
assuming is for equal true. Then just at the very first time I am assigning so the this form is having valid content. Okay. If not, then I am going to say false, false, false. At last I am checking if it is still true, then there is no error. It will say form submitted successfully. If the validity is false anywhere, which means if I have made any mistake or any incorrect form details, then I am treating as false. Then it will display the error message. This is the hand submit. Okay, so the hand submit event it should be designed in this way only. It's a kind of syntax you can remember.
I see. Agree text and please agree to the above information. Is valid. Okay, is valid alert form submitted. Okay, if it is valid true, then form submitted successfully return true. Else
Okay.
return false. Okay. All right, so I'll read the document and I'll create
Yep.
this new form by modifying this. Then I'll ask if I have any questions.
Yep. Sure.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Are you available tomorrow?
Tomorrow I'll just probably leave it because Sunday,
Okay. Fine.
Monday. Yeah,
Okay. Fine. Enter Monday
yeah.
then. Yeah. Okay.
Because
Bye.
I've got young children as well, so I need time to do this as well.
Sure. Okay, fine, man. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, take care.